There are only kinds of people in this world. Those who know calculus and those who don't.
Calculus is a study of how things change over time, and it was a key ingredient in funding the scientific revolution. Using calculus, we were able to understand how little tiny changes in a planet's motion could define the entire trajectory of a planet as it orbited the sun. And it's that study that we embark on when we learn calculus. We learn how these small changes over time can add up to a big change, how the change of the change can affect motion on Earth and in other dynamic systems. Some other math courses, one day you'll be studying matrices, and the next day you'll be studying complex numbers. Everything we do in calculus builds and builds and builds until we get to the finale. So while calculus can seem intimidating to a lot of students, you're just going to be working on the same skills the entire year. The difference between AB and BC is that AB covers one semester of college level calculus, and it's a nice first introduction to calculus. BC does 2 semesters of college level calculus in that same amount of time. Beyond that, the difference is that AB would give you credit for that 1 semester. BC would give you credit for 2 semesters of college level calculus. If you take BC in your junior year, in senior year you'll be able to take the college class we offer, Math 252, which is multivariable calculus. And we're one of the only schools in the nation that offer that course, and that is the highest level of math we offer. If you take AP Calculus, I would expect to spend between a half hour and an hour per night studying for the class. Because students put in the amount of work that's required, almost every single student has an A or a B in class. But regardless of how they do in my class, we have had a 96% pass rate on the AP test for both BC and AB students. 96% of the class, those students who are doing their work, will end up passing the AP test with like a 4 or a 5 usually, not just a 3.